Hello, Mr. T here. In this session, the piece I would like to talk about is Marching Home by Philip Sparke from the book Skillful Studies. I've chosen this piece as it is set for Grade 1 List C. If you choose to play this piece for your grade, here are some ideas on how you could improve your marks. Firstly, let me play the melody. Yes, I agree. Not very interesting, not very musical. So how can I make it more interesting and more musical? The points I will cover are tempo, dynamics, articulation, and musicianship. Firstly, tempo. Two things to notice about tempo. Firstly, the speed at the beginning, and then look through the piece to see if this speed changes. At the beginning, you can see it says moderato. As you will have guessed, I'm sure, this means at a moderate speed. So have this speed in mind. And so on. Secondly, have a look through to see if the tempo changes. Unusually, it doesn't. The tempo stays the same all the way through. Now let's add dynamics to tempo. At the beginning it says F, forte, loud. Have a look through to see if the dynamics change. You can see changes from bar 8, piano, soft. Bar 11 has a crescendo getting louder to forte, loud. Then suddenly piano, soft again. Bar 13 has a crescendo to forte in bars 15 and 16. I'll play from bar 9 to the end so that you can hear these differences in the dynamics. Lastly, now that we have tempo, dynamics and articulation, the technical bits, it's time to think about musicianship. What this means is thinking about what story is the music wanting you to tell through your playing. There are not a lot of clues here, but the most important one is the title, Marching Home. What does that make you think of? Does it make you think of moving, walking in a certain type of way? It does to me. I'm thinking of soldiers. I'm thinking of keeping my notes not too short or too long, but regular pacing of steps to the music. Have these soldiers in your mind as you play. Now the 4 points, tempo, dynamics, articulation and musicianship have been covered. I will end by playing through the piece, thinking about these ideas, and you will be able to compare it with the first playthrough and see the difference.